Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best carpet cleaner you can buy Amazon. Carpet cleaners are a type of vacuum cleaner that has been specifically designed to clean carpets. They are designed to deep clean carpets and remove all the dirt and dust from them. Carpet cleaners use a rotating brush, vacuum, and suction power to remove all the dirt from your carpet. There are many different types of carpet cleaners that you can choose from, but not every one is right for you. Some carpet cleaners are better at removing stains, while others are better at removing allergens. The best way to find the right one for your needs is by doing research on what each type of cleaner can do. Here are Onlybetterones. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. It inspires me to make videos like this. Number 5. Hoover Power. Hoover Power Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is the leading carpet cleaner for pet owners. The Hoover Power features a compact design, extra low profile, and powerful cleaning technology to deep clean carpets using just water. It's easy to use, lightweight, has an easy-to-use handheld hose with plenty of reach and provides superior stain removal, odor elimination and fresh scenting with a built-in fragrance dispenser. With vacuum, shampooer, and dryer functions, you can clean your carpets quickly and easily without lugging around heavy equipment or using harmful chemicals. Number 4. Bissell TurboClean. Bissell has come with an advancement in their line of carpet cleaners. Now you can scrub your carpets with ease by using the Bissell TurboClean Power Brush Pet Carpet Cleaner. This new version is equipped with a powerful brush that is specifically designed for pet owners who have stubborn stains and odors on their rug. Owning a pet is both rewarding and challenging. We know that you spend countless hours caring for your furry family members, but cleaning up after them is not always fun. The Bissell TurboClean Power Brush Pet Carpet Cleaner was designed to fight pet stains and odors, so you can give your carpet the overdue clean it needs. Number 3. Hoover Power. Carpet heaven awaits you with this amazing carpet cleaner from Hoover. Now you can have the cleanest carpets ever in just minutes. With a powerful 12-amp motor, this machine will tackle any stain, from mud and ground-in dirt to mud and dog hair. The carpet shampooer has a low water level, which means it uses less water and is mildew-resistant. We all know how much time it takes to vacuum. Our Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner machine is the ultimate tool for deep down clean with our powerful deep cleaning brush. It's strong enough to take on the toughest stains and gentle enough to use even on delicate carpets. Number 2. Bissell Proheat. This fully assembled upright deep carpet cleaner is easy to use, has great features, and comes with a low-profile design that makes it compatible for use in any home. It also has a 24-inch cleaning path, which covers more ground in less time, while the ergonomic handle provides extra comfort during use. Clean carpets better than ever before with the Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution. This cleaning machine features a powerful, deep cleaning brush that loosens, lifts, and removes dirt from both deep down in the carpet fibers and on the surface. Number 1. Hoover Spotless. Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is the world's first and only portable, cordless and battery-operated, deep carpet and upholstery spot cleaning device. It is completely self-contained and includes a 5-year warranty. Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is perfect for carpets, upholstery, autos, boats, campers and more. Hoover Spotless Carpet and Upholstery is a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. It has a motorized brush to scrub away dirt, an easy-to-use vacuum, and a portable design for cleaning at home or on the go.